Hi friends, today in this video we will know how to import database in MySQL database. Today we will import this SQL database file in our MySQL database. So without wasting a single bit of time, let's start our video. So for adding this file, we have to start our XAMPP server. Click on start, run as admin. Here first of all, here I will create a database same as database file name _db. Click on create. Here database is created. I will click on import. Here choose the file that is on my desktop. Here it is. Open, click on import. Here you can see the database is imported successfully. You can check all the tables. Thank you guys. If this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. In next video we will know how to change the password of your database.